If you are looking for a reliable scooter that you can ride both indoors and outdoors, the EWheels EW-M35 four-wheel mobility scooter is the ride for you. This compact and lightweight scooter features a detachable frame that can be disassembled and reassembled on the spot for easy transport. Despite its size, the EW-M35 can carry up to 250 pounds of weight, showcasing its durability. With the help of its powerful 250-watt brushless motor and 12-amp-hour battery pack, it can cover a range of 9 miles in a single charge. This scooter also has a controllable top speed of 4 miles per hour, allowing maximum control of the scooter for safety. The M35 also features a swiveling folding seat with flip-up armrests that are easy on the back and shoulders. The seat swivels on the side so you can do table work or browse market aisles. Durable and ingeniously designed to serve your daily mobility needs, the EW-M35 is a recommended scooter designed for the elderly and other people with special mobility needs. Get yours now and have it delivered to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed, with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description box below or visit us at electricbikeparadise.com. You can also contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise only here at Electric Bike Paradise.